This is Abby Finance here. Thanks for taking a look at our video, and please subscribe if you like our content. So today we're going to talk about oil and if you guys should go long on oil. So looking at the biggest oil company in America, that's got to be Exxon Mobil, and they are actually around $338 billion in the stock market. They're producing a 3.3% dividend yield, and they're near their 52-week low price, meaning this is about the lowest that Exxon Mobil has been priced in the market in about a year. So for us here at Abby Finance, we would definitely be looking to purchase some shares of Exxon Mobil if they were to break below $80 per share. But as of now, we're just keeping them on our radar. You know, over the past 5 years, they haven't had the strongest performance, really only gaining 12% over the past 5 years. And oil prices are around below $50 a barrel right now. We think that if oil prices were to continue decreasing and even break below like $45 a barrel, we have a strong opinion that Exxon Mobil would become a lot cheaper because a lot of their oil reserves wouldn't be valued at as much as they think they're worth. So a lot of this price to earnings ratio of 43.59, it would have to come down. Basically, the earnings that the market is pricing in for Exxon Mobil are assuming higher oil prices in the future. And if these oil prices don't come to fruition and they don't actually happen, then Exxon Mobil is going to be due to take a significant decline, and we probably don't want to be owning Exxon Mobil when that decline happens. But if it does happen, we'll definitely be purchasing some shares of Exxon Mobil. So why would we pick Exxon Mobil instead of just buying oil through an ETF? Well, because oil doesn't actually produce anything, and it totally just depends on supply and demand that's outside of your control, and it just doesn't really make sense to buy oil as an asset. But a company like Exxon Mobil, which is a dividend aristocrat, you know, they paid dividends for over 25 years, and they've been increasing their dividends every single year. You know, Exxon just has a lot more potential to produce greater future earnings than just the commodity itself, oil. So yeah, I mean, we're going to be monitoring oil prices over the next couple months here, and we're definitely going to be monitoring Exxon Mobil as a company over the next couple months. There's only about a 15% upside to this $94 a share, but we really would love to purchase Exxon Mobil if they break below $80. Like, really $70 to $75 is our ideal price range for them, because oil is kind of an unknown, obviously, with the way the governments are enforcing regulations on pollution and emissions, and companies like Tesla are really pushing for solar energy and renewable energy. You know, ExxonMobil hasn't really talked a lot about their renewable energy investments yet. So oil is a little bit of an unknown, and they're valued pretty cheaply right now, at least over the past 5 years. You know, they haven't made significant improvements or gains in their price. So there's definitely been some market hesitation regarding ExxonMobil's performance, but that's all right. Like, we usually like to buy companies that are a little bit out of favor with the stock market because for whatever reason, that just makes them a little bit cheaper. And then in 5 or 10 years from now, whatever that reason was, you know, bad news, we think that ExxonMobil will probably be valued a lot more, you know, a lot more expensively and a lot more valuable in the market. Who knows, an oil price spike might hit by then, and it could hit back near $100 a barrel of oil like it was following the financial crisis. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this. You know, today we're just talking about another dividend aristocrat, more specifically Exxon Mobil, which is in the business of refining and producing oil and gas. So this is a company that's been on our radar for a while, and we're going to continue monitoring it for now, but we're definitely not going to buy it just yet. Thanks for checking this video out. This is Abby Finance signing off. Please subscribe if you liked what you heard, and leave this video a like or a comment. Thank you. Goodbye.